Good evening.
Are you having some trouble with your lights?
Well, I was trying to figure out how to turn them on. Actually, yes.
Yes? Okay, because yeah, I noticed they were going off and on, off and on. Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
Here's my license. Do you need my insurance?
Yes, ma'am, and your registration. Where are you guys heading?
Home.
Home? Where you come from?
Registration. Insurance, I'm pretty sure you can look up.
Okay.
Okay.
Where are you guys coming from?
We're local. We're going home.
Yeah, but from where?
What do you mean? What is that information? You have my license and registration.
There's no reason
what
to
else
get
do
mad
you
at
need?
me. I'm just asking.
Okay. We'll go search that.
Hey, stop.
License and registration.
Stop
is
right
what
now.
you need.
Okay? I'm asking because I smell something sweet coming from your breath. Okay? You're turning off and on your lights. You made a dramatic stop. Okay? You're showing signs of impairment. If you want to continue down this, I'm trying to just rule that out the quickest way and ask you where you're coming from, and you want to get an attitude.
I'm not trying an attitude.
And
thank you.
When I'm standing here and I'm trying to talk to you,
so thank you, officer. I'm not trying an attitude.
Okay.
I am not getting aggressive with you.
Then I will be right back.
If I need to video this,
go ahead. It's on video. It's on video.
I am not getting aggressive with you.
Okay.
I gave you my registration and license.
I'll be right back with you. Oh, she's feisty. I'm pretty sure she's impaired.
Sweet.
All right, Megan. Can we try this again?
With what?
A little bit more polite on both ends, okay?
On both ends.
On both ends. I'm saying on both ends.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. So where are you coming from?
We are coming from hanging out for the evening.
Okay. So I've already explained to you. You're
Do
showing
you need me to
signs.
step out of the car?
I'm going to ask you a question here. You're showing signs of impairment. Would you be willing to do voluntary roadsides for me?
I honestly am just trying to go home.
I get that. I get that.
Yeah, okay, whatever you need.
Okay, go ahead and step out then. We're going to step over here. I'm going to close your door because I don't want it to get sideswiped and damaged, okay?
Sideswiped and damaged
Well,
from
there's a traffic
Okay.
sign right here. Okay, so I'm going to have you step over here out of the roadway so that you're safe as well, okay? So if you would, just go ahead and step over here for me.
What do you need?
I'm going to have you step over here so we're out of the roadway because I
was just in the roadway and I stepped
out of the roadway.
Okay.
Over here, where my light is.
Oh, whoa, woohoo. Do you need me to step on the...
Okay, all right, Megan.
Come on.
You got anything?
You guys crazy.
Hey.
You're literally assaulting a fucking local individual when I'm just trying to go home. And you all are horrible Mountain Home police officers. What's your name? Let me see your ID. I want your card right now.
I'm Corporal Steele.
What are you?
I'm Corporal Steele.
And what's your badge number?
1761.
1761? What's yours?
Officer Wright, 1764.
17. I need to write this down.
Okay. Are you going to do these roadsides or not for me?
You know what? What do you need? I'm in heels.
Okay. We'll take that into consideration.
Great.
Okay. What I need from you right now is to go ahead and stand heel to heel, toe to toe with your hands by your side. Okay?
Okay, so heel to heel in my heels.
Or is that your
toe to toe.
Okay. I want you to remain in that position until I instruct you to do otherwise. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand?
Am I instructed to do anything different?
Stay there until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Am I already doing that?
I'm asking you if you
Oh,
understand.
wait. Hold on, officer.
I'm asking if you understand.
Hey, guess what? I don't like cops.
That's okay.
So you know what? I'm going to sit here and honestly stand here.
Megan, you're under arrest for suspicion of driving while I'm talking.
I am absolutely fine.
Stop.
Please do not. What are you doing? I'm local.
Stop resisting.
Hold on.
I
This
said
is
you're under arrest.
not okay. No, I'm not intoxicated.
You're
You
on the
are
ground.
insane.
I'll just taser.
Hold on. I'm standing here.
No, you're about to get tased if you don't stop. You're about to get tased if you don't stop. Put your hands behind your back or you're getting tased. Do you understand?
Oh, I am doing exactly. Are you serious right now?
22 taser deployed.
Why are you tasing me? Why are you tasing me?
You're resisting.
I am not.
Henry, there is a passenger
resisting,
passed out
you
in that car.
psychos. You guys are aggressive.
Stop resisting.
Oh, guess what? I'm not resisting. I'm not even resisting.
You're hammered.
Why's your friend so fired up?
2215
You know, what do you mean? You don't see her? You didn't see her fighting with 4 officers?
No.
You didn't notice that? Yeah, she just got tased and tackled in the parking lot. You missed all that? Are you all headed home or?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck is going on?
I just told you, you're under arrest.
You guys are absolutely
impaired.
insane. You had 12 cops
All right,
here?
Megan. You got anything on you? It's gonna poke, stick, or stab me. Okay.
You guys are insane.
All right.
Mountain home, huh? Mountain home. You guys, I am a fucking awesome.
No, you're not.
Do you have somebody that is able to come pick you up?
Yes.
Okay. How far is home?
What road are
I'm sorry?
you in? Road.
You're at 62 and Commerce Drive, so by Pizza Hut.
What?
You have your ID?
You need my concealed?
No, just need that. You don't have a firearm on you at this time?
Yes.
Is it in your purse?
Yes.
Okay, just leave it in your purse, all right? Just leave it in the purse and I'm happy.
Okay.
If you got somebody that can pick you up, if you want to call them and get them headed. She has. I was like, you see what's... She had no clue.
No, she was passed out
Yeah,
the whole time.
no clue.
That's why I just...
Did she just kind of snap when she started doing field sobriety?
She snapped to me the second I went up to the window, tried to go out the window. I said, I'll be right back. I was waiting for Wright. Wright got here. I went back up. I gave her a set. Okay, so let's restart, both of us. I said, because, you know, you got snippy, I got snippy. I said, so let's restart this. I said, so would you do roadside? She says, yes. She comes back here. I said, I would like you to come in this parking lot over here so we're out of the roadway. She started yelling, blah, blah, blah. I started. I said, heel to heel, toe to toe, arms at your side. I said, don't move until I instruct you to do so. Do you understand? And she just went off, and I was like, we're done. Yeah. And then she started fighting us.
Where's your gun at in the purse?
It's in my purse.
All right, well, so we're gonna stop. I don't want you to keep reaching the purse when there's a gun in there.
Yeah, that's fine.
So you need to call somebody to come get you.
Do you have a phone?
I'm not gonna get
It is not in here. In my purse.
Your phone is not in your purse?
So I thought she grabbed it. It is not.
You can't find her phone.
She just had it in her hand.
That wasn't hers.
Oh, it wasn't hers?
I told her to keep. She kept reaching in her purse. Told her to quit reaching.
So somebody's called your one.
Right there. Right there, right
Oh,
now.
God. Here it is.
You want to take her to the county and do it?
Yeah. You don't.
I dry stunned her twice, and she didn't. I didn't really face her.
Has she been able to get a hold of anybody?
She says that she got a hold of somebody. It should be 15 minutes for them to get here.
Okay. All right, so she's able to get a hold of somebody. So why don't you two go to the jail and try to do that? We'll stand by for the wrecker and her ride, which is about 10 to 15 minutes out. I'm sure she.
Can I call my husband?
At the jail.
No, we all know how that goes. Please, ma'am, grab my cell phone and let my husband know that my 3-year-old is in his hands right now. What?
Hey, Cody. Hey, give him the warning. She's still pretty hyped up.
You all right? You need to document. Oh my gosh. You need to document that. That's battery. What, she kick you?
Yeah, when I went down.
She kept kicking?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I do battery second on the police. Yeah. We'll take pictures of that. That's battery second. She kicked her, so she's pretty hyped up. You ready? Ready?
Hey, Miss Megan. Can I get out?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How should I step out so I don't offend y'all?
Hey, you're good. I like your outfit, by the way. You can put your legs out. Come on.
All right, we're gonna go slow. I don't want to offend y'all.
But you're good. Come on.
Okay, just tell me where to go. Just
follow
don't
me this way.
abuse me.
Hey, leave her alone. Let's go. You're with
Miss
us now.
Abuser.
Hey, you're with us now, man.
Are you gonna take care of me?
Yes, ma'am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you in here. I'm going to take your cuffs off. Do you have anything on you or in you that I need to know about? Because it will go off in this machine.
I'm pretty much totally naked. Tell that woman with no hair that she needs some respect.
Turn around and face me. Hold on to the bars. Be very still. You're going to go that way and then come back. It's going to take 7 seconds. Do not move.
Wait, I go that way?
You'll go that way and then you'll move back this way.
I
Don't
don't know
move.
what that means.
Just be still.
Guys, we're real. Stand still.
Hold around.
Stand still.
Hold around.
Stay still.
Alright, you can come this way. Listen to me, Megan. She's gonna be dealing with you.
No, I won't deal with
listen.
her. No, she's rude as shit. Hey, I am a local in Mountain Home. I pay my taxes, and I will not deal with a rude motherfucker.
So you're gonna refuse her test?
What test?
They're gonna have to do a BAC on you. Are you gonna refuse it?
I ain't dealing with her. She's scary.
He'll be here the whole
Look at
time.
you. You ain't got no hair.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
She's scary.
Ma'am, listen.
You're rude as fuck.
Megan.
I will not tolerate
Megan.
that type of treatment. I am still a human. I fucking pay my taxes. I live here, and you are rude as shit.
Megan.
Rude.
You're
Megan.
being kind of rude now, Megan.
Well, what? Because I'm speaking my mind?
No,
You're
will you
yelling.
talk to me?
What is this, good cop, bad cop?
Let's tone it down. She's not yelling at you. She's not yelling at you. I'm not yelling at you.
I will not deal with her. Put someone else in here.
What if I go in there with you? Will you? She'll have to be in there. 'cause
I
she's-
want to cooperate. I will
Okay.
cooperate.
I'll go in there
guys.
with
I
you.
will.
I'll go in there too, but she has to do her test because I can't do that test, okay?
You make sure she's nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
Megan?
Sit down.
Megan, sit down for
Oh,
me.
a little rude.
Megan.
You want to say please?
Sit down.
You want to say please?
No, ma'am.
Then I will not talk to her. She doesn't want to talk to
So
me
you're
nicely.
refusing?
She is not going to be respectful.
She doesn't have to say please though. They're an officer.
Listen, Megan. Listen to us. She hasn't said anything to you, and you're already mouthing off to her.
Why are you
So-
guys being mean?
We're not being mean. All she
You
has to
think
do
you got
is
a power trip?
No, I'm just asking you to sit down so I can read this statement to you so you understand your rights. Then I'm going to ask you to do my test. You can either refuse or do it, all right? And then after that's done, you're going with her.
So Megan, I'm gonna be
Thank
honest.
you for talking to me.
Megan.
Okay, that's it.
That's
Don't
what she
be
was
rude.
That's what she
Okay,
was trying to
Megan.
do, Megan.
The faster,
I will sit down.
the
Okay.
faster we get through
But
this.
you know what? You should look at how you treat people in the
Okay,
future.
you're allowed to have your own opinion. All right, I got to read this. It's pretty long and extensive. It's just bear with me, okay?
The quicker we get through this, the less time you got to deal with her.
Oh.
Okay.
All right. You're advised that any person who operates or is in actual physical control of a motorboat or motor vehicle in the state is deemed to have given consent to one or more chemical tests of his or her breath, saliva, or urine. An actual
So should
physical
I ask for
control
an attorney at
of
this
a
point?
motorboat. This
not-
is not admitting guilt.
It's not admitting guilt. This is just part of her test that she has to do.
Well, what are y'all doing? I'm
getting your
scared.
driver's license.
I'm scared. I feel like I need an attorney.
Megan,
You don't need
take a
an
deep
attorney
breath.
for this.
Take a deep breath, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to show you this form.
Y'all are scaring me. I just used tased me, and I didn't want any of this.
Megan, I'm trying to show you what it says. If you look at this paper here, what does that say?
I don't know.
It says
I can't
officer-
read it because you tased me. I want an attorney. I want my husband.
Are you refusing this test, Megan?
I don't know. I'm so scared. I'm so scared of all of you.
This is a statement of rights form. All this is me telling you what your rights are at this
Right.
point in time.
That's my rights.
So will you listen to me while I read them?
Read your red tape.
Okay.
You little lion sheep.
Later, the
I
driving
didn't
of
do
both-
anything wrong.
Well, there was an alcohol
I didn't do
concentration
anything wrong.
of
I didn't do
0.08
anything
or more
wrong.
in the- All we're asking is if you want to take this breath test.
Yes or no?
Can I have some water?
Not,
No,
I
you
can't
gotta
have
take the
you
test
gotta
first.
take the
No,
test.
you guys. Oh, you're refusing me water.
So let me
No.
explain.
I
No.
need a cup of water to calm the fuck down.
That's all this test is saying. It's up to you whether
Yeah,
you want to
well,
do a breath test.
all you guys do is fuck people.
I'm not trying to fuck you. I'm reading you your rights.
Yeah. Welcome to Mountain Home. I feel like I need an attorney.
Okay,
Alright.
so we're going to put it as a refusal.
If you want an attorney, you don't want no test.
And what does a test do?
You've already refused. Let's go.
Because you didn't accept it.
All right, tow truck's here. Need you to step out.
Alyssa?
You need to step out.
Get your purse and everything.
Sure can.
We'll go hang out over here and wait for your ride to get here. Like, she had no clue what was going on. Like, I think she was surprised that I was standing there. I was like, what's wrong with you? Why is your friend so fired up? And she said, what? I don't know. I said, you don't see her fighting with 4 officers? No, I didn't see any of that.